This is how to change your wallpaper on your computer, Windows, without activating it. As you can see by the watermark and right here, it says you need to activate Windows. So how you would do it is maybe you want to do Star Wars. Find the picture that you want to do and save the image. Go here. Alright, hold on. And then go over to your files. Find it. And then it should say set as desktop background. Now, boom. I hope you enjoyed this video, and goodbye.